In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new task efficiently, whether you're managing personal to-dos or overseeing tasks for a team at work. Getting the details right is crucial for effective task management. Let's dive in and simplify the process together. To begin, you'll want to open up your space. This space could be within a project management tool or a designated section of your digital workspace where you regularly organize your tasks. It's essential that you're in the right environment where your tasks will be integrated seamlessly into your overall workflow. Being organized from the start helps ensure that nothing falls through the cracks and that you can track your tasks easily later on. Once you're in the space, locate the option to add or create something new. This is often represented by a plus symbol, commonly found in the corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to entering a new task into your system. Taking this first step ensures that your task is logged into the workflow, making it visible and easy to monitor as you move forward. After you click to create a new task, it's time to fill in the details. Think of this as setting the foundation for completing this task successfully. The details you enter should include a clear and concise description of the task. Make sure it's specific enough so that you or someone else who might review it in the future knows exactly what's expected. This clarity can significantly impact the efficiency with which tasks are executed. You might also want to set a due date or assign a priority level if your tool offers this functionality. Adding references or links to resources can also be helpful if they're needed to complete the task. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, the next step is saving it. This might sound minor, but it's a crucial point where many people accidentally lose track of their work. Clicking Save is your assurance that all the hard work of setting up this task is preserved and ready to be acted upon. After saving it, you can usually see your new task among your list of pending items. This visibility is vital for keeping it on your radar and ensuring that it gets done in a timely manner. So there you have it. Entering a new task is a straightforward process that lays the groundwork for productive task management. By following these simple steps, you streamline the way you queue up your responsibilities, making it much easier to tackle them effectively. Remember, the key is specificity in details and ensuring everything is saved properly. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you with more tutorials in the future.